Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you some of the basic functions that need to be performed before starting a print with the Hyrel Hydra 21 3D printer. First, we'll start by locking the extruder in position. As you can see, there are 5 grooves over here and I usually prefer the second groove. Next, I'll be focusing on the temperature limits that we need to set for the heating bed as well as the extruder. We gotta click this button right here and you can see that this is the heat bed temperature and these are the minimum and maximum limits for the heating bed. Assuming that we are printing ABS, we gotta set our printing temperature at 105. We can also control the chamber temperature, but in this case it's fine. Similarly, the extruder temperature can be changed in the same way. ABS is selected right here and we can select a variety of materials. If your material is not given in this, we can just set a new filament and we can set its temperature ranges. Assuming it's ABS, we can print it at 230 ideally, and these are the minimum and maximum limits.
Also, we have to make sure that we tighten the screw right behind the extruder with the help of an Allen key.
This printer requires calibration of the bed manually, so we can click enable Z calibrate and you can enable big Z move if it's required in your case. So I'll click this and we still have to do some work so that we can get it leveled, and for that purpose we can use a paper. We can try to adjust the bed level till the point where we feel some friction. It shouldn't be too tight. As you can see, the bed is leveled now and we can bring the extruder home. So these are some of the important steps that need to be followed before printing. Thanks for watching the video.